34-year-old man charged and is accused of carrying out gun attack in St. Anne. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives in St. Anne have charged a man with wounding with intent with the use of a prohibited weapon, possession of a prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and using a firearm to commit a felony following an incident in his community on Sunday, May the 18th. Charge is 34-year-old Aswin Lynch of Content Garden in Ocho-Rios, St. Anne. Reports from the Ocho-Rios police are that at about 3 p.m., Lynch allegedly shot and injured a man in his community. The man was treated at hospital on Monday, May the 19th. A report was made to the police. Lynch was implicated in the investigation and was apprehended and subsequently charged on Thursday, May the 22nd after a question and answer session. His court date is to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.